Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster with Rowan County Weather. As we take a look at the radar this morning, there's nothing on it right now, but this big area you see highlighted in pink is the areas that are under the winter storm warning. Now, if you look, that is the entire state of North Carolina, all of South Carolina as well. But just to give you an idea of what we're looking at here as we head into the first half of the weekend, of course, all three counties that I forecast for, Rowan, Davie, and Davidson, are all under the winter storm warning. Snow is going to develop late tonight during the overnight hours and continue through much of Saturday, with conditions deteriorating quickly once snowfall begins. Travel will become hazardous and remain difficult into Sunday due to snow-covered roads, blowing snow, and very cold temperatures. This will be a high impact winter storm for the entire region, not just because of snowfall, but because of the cold air that follows. Temperatures will remain well below freezing Saturday through Monday in the morning hours, with dangerous wind chills at times falling below zero. Snowfall amounts will vary based on where heavier snow bands set up. For Rowan and Davie counties, 3 to 5 inches of snowfall accumulation is likely, with localized 6+ inches of snowfall totals possible if heavier bands develop. For Davidson County, 4 to 6 inches of snowfall is likely, with localized higher totals possible, as this area has a higher potential for heavier snowfall. Even after snow ends Saturday night, impacts will continue due to freezing, blowing snow, and persistent cold. Bottom line is everyone will see snow, everyone will deal with dangerous cold. Final totals are going to depend on banding, but travel impacts are expected for all three counties. We're going to take a quick break. We'll come back and give you the full forecast coming up right after this. Advertising partners that help make Rowan County weather possible. Patterson Law provides professional legal services you can trust. They offer services in personal injury, medical malpractice, and workers' compensation. Give them a call, 704-630-0089. They're located at 710 North Main Street in Salisbury. Hall Roofing Solutions wants to help you with the cool mornings and wet winter weather in North Carolina. A solid roof means fewer worries during those long, rainy stretches and temperature drops. They help keep local homeowners protected all winter long. For more details, scan the QR code you see on your screen. Out at Patterson Farm, they've got the 2026 all season passes on sale now. You can purchase one time and visit the farm unlimited times throughout the 2026 season. For more details, visit pattersonfarm.com or scan the QR code you see on your screen. Spring educational tours also getting ready to take place out at the farm. You can book those now by visiting pattersonfarm.com or scanning the QR code you see right there on the screen. Wine and Dine on the Rails coming up February 13th through the 15th out at the Transportation Museum. It's a great way to celebrate Valentine's Day. For more details on this event, scan the QR code you see right there on the screen. William Ryan Flooring and Supplies is located at 1600 North Main Street in China Grove. They're there to help you start off your new year. If you're ready for new floors, you want to do a remodel, renovation, or even a custom home build, they can help you with that. For more details, you can scan the QR code you see on your screen or visit their website listed on the screen there as well. Visit the showroom and explore your options. William Ryan Enterprises will take care of the construction on those remodels, renovations, and custom home builds. They're your trusted local contractor, again, handling remodels and renovations, home improvements, they're custom builders, and more. You can learn more by visiting the website or scanning the QR code you see on your screen. William Ryan Roofing will take care of the roof on your home this year. Time for a new roof here in 2026. They are the professional roofing services that can help you get it done. They offer services in multiple counties and all kinds of great services as well. Scan the QR code you see on your screen to visit their website to learn more details. You can transform your home today as we head into 2026 with Bearded Brothers Sunrooms. They can help with the addition of a screen room, three-season room, or even an all-season room to your home. For more information, scan the QR code you see on your screen or give them a call at 704-644-0823. Willowbrook Grounds, your hometown coffee company located at 115 South Central Avenue in Landis. They sponsor the mid-morning coffee cast right here on Rowan County Weather. You can stop by there today to try one of their latest seasonal flavors. If you can't get by and you want to still have a coffee from Willowbrook Grounds, you can order on DoorDash and have it delivered right to your door. Again, they sponsor the mid-morning coffee cast right here on Rowan County Weather every morning. They're your hometown coffee company. Stop by today and check out Willowbrook Grounds. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast now. Today, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies with a high near 38. Winds are going to become east northeast at around 5 miles an hour as we head to the afternoon hours. It's going to be dry through the morning, but changes arrive later today, really during the overnight hours tonight into Saturday. We'll see a 50% chance of snow mainly after 1 a.m. That's going to quickly increase to 90% as we head into the day on Saturday. We'll see patchy fog possible as well. See a low of 18 degrees tonight. Winds are going to be out of the northeast at around roughly 5 to 10 miles an hour. And as we head into the day on Saturday, snow likely all day, fog as well as possible. And there could be some whiteout conditions from time to time with heavier bands of snow. We'll see a high near 22. Winds are going to be out of the northeast at around 10 miles an hour, but could gust as much as 25 miles an hour. And we'll see that snow accumulating as we go through the day. By Saturday evening, a 40% chance of snow as we head into the late evening hours and start to come to an end really somewhere around midnight, Saturday, 1 a.m., Sunday morning. We'll start to see gradual clearing. We'll see a low of around 11 degrees on Saturday. Wind chills are going to be as low as -3, so keep that in mind. If for some reason you do have to go out, you're going to want to make sure you have a way to stay bundled up and stay warm. Dangerously cold air is going to arrive Saturday, linger through Monday morning. Once we go below freezing today, we will not come back above freezing until the morning hours on Monday. So keep that in mind. It is a long duration of temperatures below freezing out there. Wind chills could drop below zero at times. Snow covered and icy roads are going to make travel very difficult. It's going to be a powdery snow, so widespread power outages are unlikely, but blowing snow could reduce visibility. As we look ahead, Sunday, we'll see sunny conditions, high near 32. It's going to be breezy out there. Sunday night, we'll see clear conditions with a low around 7 degrees. On Monday, sunny skies, high near 38. Tuesday, mostly sunny skies with a high near 43 as temperatures slowly moderate early next week. But overnight refreezing will remain an issue. Again, just keep in mind this is a significant winter storm. It's going to impact Rowan County, Davie County, Davidson County, literally all of North Carolina, actually. Friday afternoon, conditions are going to start to occur for a lot of the state, but again, it's going to really start to pick up for us as we head into the overnight hours tonight, going in through the day on Saturday, right through the entire evening hours, and really start to come to an end during the overnight and very early morning hours of Sunday. Snow is going to be the only precipitation type here. Travel impacts, as I said, I can't stress this enough, are going to be significant, especially on Saturday. Extreme cold and wind chills pose risk to people, pets, and property. So keep that in mind. Make sure not only you're staying warm, your pets are staying warm. Anyone that you know who has a home that typically has trouble staying warm, make sure you take care of them as well. Forecast is sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling. Built on integrity. You can give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and X. You can also watch these video forecast updates on YouTube, as well as on WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Friday, and as always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.